What's up, guys? Wanted your review on this new KRAUS stainless steel tub that I just installed. This is going in the ADU. I did custom polished concrete countertops, and I wanted a flush mount sink or undermount sink. I like this style because you can really easily just clean off the countertops and don't have to worry about like a caulking joint or anything. And I gotta say, the quality on this thing, I was really impressed. You can buy this thing on Amazon, reasonable price for what you're getting. And I was able to install my garbage disposal, fit perfectly. What I did is I did a silicone bead of caulking in between the stainless sink and the countertop. And I also built a little frame for it to mount it underneath when I did the cabinets. But there's a lot of other mounting options. It does come with mounting hardware if you're doing like a wood countertop that you can easily mount it with screws from underneath. So it drains really well. You can see the sheet metal work that they've done. Really good quality. The fit on it when I was doing the countertops was incredible. I was blown away with the quality for the price on this thing. There's no reason in my mind in the future to buy anything else. It cleans up nicely. It has a really nice little KRAUS logo you can see right here. Just gives it like a quality appearance in my opinion. But yeah, the fit was great. It also came with a template too, which was really a good help. So I just can't say enough nice things about this sink. You could see it all, it slopes downwards, so it drains really nicely, which is helpful for cleanup, keeping it clean. And then the last really cool thing that I'll show you is it's got sound deadening on the side of it. So it has a really quality feel. You know, when you're using it, you're putting pots and pans inside. It feels solid. So, yeah, if you're looking for a stainless undermount sink, look no further. Great product. Thanks for watching.